Okay, question one. When Pastor was teaching, he said women are multipliers. So, and it's a good attribute to have as a woman, generally, and also in marriage. So, in a case where it's a relationship, and you know that this brother does not have discipline with money, and then you're trying to help him multiply his 1 to maybe 10 or 5, then he feels being controlled. He feels controlled by it. Is it? Yes, that's one. Then 2, if you start a relationship, or when the brother comes and says, this is what I want, and you take your time to get the answer for him, and you discover that this particular thing is the reason why you can't be with this brother, is it okay to tell him the reason? Is it okay?
Okay, so first of all, you're with somebody who is indisciplined when it comes to his finances, and you're trying to help him save. I think the first thing is the first process has been jumped. That's why there's a problem. You cannot multiply for someone who doesn't have discipline. Whatever is multiplied will be destroyed. His lack of discipline will destroy it. So I think the first thing is to let this person know there's no discipline with your finances. So you've got to fix the discipline issue first. And if it's unfixable, you have no business marrying that kind of person, because you're going to have headache in the marriage. House rent will be spent on something else. School fees will be... So it's just going to be a disaster. So the first thing is not to help him multiply. You don't help an indisciplined person to multiply. And then secondly, I see a lot of sisters in relationships, not marriage now, but in relationship, you're already doing wife things. Yeah. It's a wrong order. Relationship is let's know ourselves. So really, your responsibility in relationship is not to multiply his finances. Nah. If he's very disciplined, if he's focused on going somewhere, somehow you guys will transition to that point where you can share ideas that can help increase his wealth. And he's not going to see it as you are controlling him, because he's a disciplined man. He wants to increase his wealth. So if you're bringing ideas, my goodness, he's paying your dowry the next day, you're married. But where you are multiplying for somebody who is indisciplined, nah, it's not going to work. He's going to feel like, you want to control me, because he lacks discipline in the first place. So for him, that lack of discipline is the problem. Secondly, somebody has asked you out, and then there's a reason why you cannot go on with the person. So should you tell the person, is it that the relationship that started or is about to start? That's not started. But the person has asked you out. But there's a reason why you cannot go on with the person. So is it okay to tell the person the reason? From my perspective, I think it's okay. Yeah, I think you can tell a person why. For example, if it's this indisciplined culture, you can tell a person, I'm so sorry, I can't be with you because of your indiscipline in this regard. Just don't say it in a way that tears the person down, because they can change tomorrow. Do you understand? But I think it's okay to let the person know why you can't be with them.